Holding the printed side of the Joypad faceplate towards you, you can take the TFT screen and put it as shown through the holes. Use the 4 black screws and the teeny tiny white nuts to hold it into place. Once you have it screwed into place, you flip it over and plug in the cable on the one side of it as shown. Now get your core RF module, you can see it in your hand, pull it out and attach the RF antenna to it by flipping it over. You see the antenna has a socket and the board also has a matching socket, so you just plug it in and then it looks like so, hanging off here like that. Then take the board and then plug it right in to either side of the sockets on the Joypad. Next step is to take the standoff, stack them on each other, there's 2 per corner, and stick them in the corner of the keypad. Then plug in the TFT screen to the connector as shown. It only plugs in one way. And then add the joysticks and the push buttons to the buttons that are there. With the joystick covers and the button covers on, it's time now to flip the cover over and slide it onto the screw tops and put the nuts on top for finishing. Notice on the left hand side the cord is plugged into the computer. The red LED below it is the battery low light. So if you turn on, the battery may be low. You plug it in and the green charge light will light until it is totally charged up. Once it's totally charged up, the green light will go out, or if you unplug the cable.